Hey guys, welcome back to my channel this evening. I wanted to do a review and packing video for y'all tonight on the Itzy Ritzy Boss Backpack. This is in the Rosy Pop print. Now this is a line of diaper bags or nappy bags that I have recently got in at my online baby boutique called Zahramay Boutique, and this particular bag I have been wanting to try for a very long time, so I was very lucky to be able to try one out, and I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to pack it up this evening for a trip to the Australian Reptile Park tomorrow with all my kids, 5 of my kids. So we want to take some snacks. I'm going to try to fit a fuel cell in here, JuJuBe Fuel Cell, so a couple of drink bottles, nappy needs, change pad. So I haven't actually packed this for this kind of trip yet, so this will be a little bit new for me. I have used this as a just regular everyday diaper bag, and I do love it a lot. It's very, very comfortable. What I'll do first is I will go over the features of the Boss Backpack by Itzy Ritzy, and then we will get on to the packing portion. This particular bag has blue faux leather accents, which is really nice. So you've got the tassel here as well as the pockets with the blue, really dark blue. This bag also comes with stroller straps that are attached on this really nice little gold D-ring at the top on each side. It does have a insulated bottle pocket on this side, and then an insulated zip pocket on the other side, which I will show you when I start packing the bag up. There is a big slip pocket in the front here, which is really nice. It's got a kind of reinforced handle here, really nice to grab. You've got a pocket at the top here which is designed for sunglasses or just items that you want to keep nice and safe. And you've also got a zip pocket down here, which the change pad came in. So this pocket here in the front I always use for my phone because I have an iPhone 10 and it fits perfectly in that pocket, slides right in. An iPhone 8 Plus or something would fit in there too, because there is a little bit more room on the top for a taller phone and width-wise. So I like to use that for my phone. In this pocket here, I like to put in my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick, lip brush, like kind of lipstick stuff in there. In this pocket also I'm going to put in my other Tokidoki coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties and such, because I need to fit that into the bag, so that works well in there. This zip pocket here is actually an insulated pocket, and I really like this feature on the bag. And what I'm going to use for here is some cold kind of snacks that I want to bring with us. I think we will get some lunch there. We'll probably just buy lunch, but you know, kids are always snacking. So I've just got some fruit blend squeezy pouches and some yogurt and some cheese sticks. So I'm going to use this pocket here to put that stuff in, and see if I can fit it all in there. Yep. And zip it up. This one's a little bit high, so I kind of stuck that in there. Works really well. This zip pocket here is actually where the change pad usually goes, and I will bring that tomorrow because at zoos and amusement parks and things like that, there isn't really very good changing stations and they're kind of grotty, so I like to bring an actual padded change pad with me for Clara. Plus these are good if we want to sit down somewhere that's kind of a little bit grotty as well, so that goes in there like that. Now while we're here, we'll go around to the back so I can show you these really, really nice backpack straps. So these are padded, they're memory foam, and the bright pink there, that's really cute, I really like that. But they're really comfortable for me because they are a little bit thinner than the JuJuBe Be Right Bag, because this is what a lot of people compare this bag to. And I feel like they're closer together at the top here, which works good for me as well. Just real quick, there is a rubberized bottom on this bag, which is really nice because it does keep the bottom of the bag nice and clean, and you don't have to worry about putting that on grass or gravel or anything like that, because that will protect the bag there. On the top here, as I said, this is for sunglasses. It's a little felt pocket, and I will pop my sunnies in there if need be, but right now I'll just leave that empty. Now this bottle pocket on the side here, I am going to put a water bottle in, but I'll put that in last because I like to do that just because I like to pack up the middle of the bag first. Now this pocket here, I was putting in my Y pouch 30, but I'm actually bringing a 60 count Y pouch with me because we will be there for food and things like that. So for all my kids, I like to take the bigger one when we go on outings like this. So I don't know if I put that in there whether it'll be too bulky, But I'll leave that like that for now. We'll see how we go. So let's go into the center of the bag. There are 2 zipper pulls that open on each side, and this does come all the way down. But the nice thing about the Boss Backpack is you do have this little mesh kind of net here that is supposed to be designed to stop things from falling out, like that you would have an issue with on the Be Right Back. I usually just take it out, but I mean, I'll leave it there for now and we'll see how that goes. So in this pocket, there is a zip little pocket in the front here, and I usually put my mini wipe pouch with my antibacterial wipes in there because that's good for wiping things down. So that goes in there like that. Now, this little pocket here, I think I might put my Tokidoki coin purse with my disposable baggies and stuff in there because I like to take those, especially for diaper changes and also for when you're eating and you can put all your rubbish in those little baggies. I do have 2 size 5 disposable nappies, so what I think I might do is pop those in this really big mesh pocket here. It's very tall, so that works great in there. And I think what I normally do with my Lily Jade wallet is I usually put that in another one of those pockets just to keep that nice and secure. Now I do have a fuel cell here, and I'll just show you what I've got in here real quick. I do have some snack bags. So I have some Unicorno All Stars, I forget what this one is, in here. 2 of these Itzy Ritzy snack bags, and I also have another Itzy Ritzy snack bag. This is Fox Hollow. This is just in the snack happen size, and I do carry this one as well at Zahramay Boutique, as well as these little Unicorno ones. This just has fruit and stuff inside there just to keep it separated, and this has dry foods and things like that. And I also have just about a 3/4 packet of crackers. So I'm just going to pop those back in. So I'll put the fruit in first, those crackers in, and then my snack bags. And this is a JuJuBe Fuel Cell, as I mentioned, and this is in the Sea Punk print. I just think it looks really cute. So what I might do is kind of pop that behind the mesh like that. I do have my keys, and I actually do like to utilize the key hook, which is up the top here. There is also a slip pocket up here as well. So I'm just going to put these on the key hook. My hand sanitizer, there are 2 pockets on the inside of the bag on this side, and they're little pockets, so I like to put my hand sanitizer in there. Mints go perfectly in there, that's where I usually put that. There's also a cinch pocket here that's mesh, and then another pocket here that has a magnetic closure that goes all the way down. So what I might do is, I think I'm going to put my large thermos bottle in the cinch pocket, this. Okay, like that. Then this other thermos bottle I'm going to put on the outside of the bag, like that. And the only thing I have left is my little med kit, mommy kit. So, okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put this actually on top here instead. And I'm going to put this little coin purse here into the slip pocket at the top, like that, as well as my little small set piece, like that. And I think that will, yeah, that'll make the bag a little easier to zip up and a little bit more organized. So I guess I don't have anything in here for now, which is fine, but everything else fits in there really, really well. So there we go. So there's the Boss Backpack packed up for the Reptile Park tomorrow. Any questions or comments, please pop below. I will leave the link for another packing video that I did earlier today on the Triple Threat bag by Itzy Ritzy diaper bag, if you want to check that video out. Hope you guys have a great evening, and thanks a lot for watching.